So hello guys, today I show you how to upload a folder or file in GitHub. So let's start. First what we do, we go to our Visual Code terminal and type cd, and then we go to our folder. Then we go to our folder. We go to our folder and open our file. Open our folder and copy this path. And after copying, we go to our Visual Code and paste it here. And after we enter it, then the second step is initialize the Git. Then we type git init. After the initializing, we add all files. So git add dot, it add all the files in this folder. You see this. After adding the files, we commit the files. Git commit initial commit with all pattern series 4. The all files committed. Next, what to do, we should add our GitHub repo. So git remote add origin, and after we go to our GitHub repo and copy this URL. Copy this repo URL. Then again we go to our Visual Studio Code and paste it here, and after this pattern and dot git. After then we push the folder to GitHub. Git branch and main. Oh, we didn't push the branch, so that's why. Origin main. After this, all the files go to our repo. You can see. Now we do refresh. You can see that all the files comes to in our repo, GitHub repo. So thank you, share, follow, like, and subscribe the channel. And if you want pattern source code, you can, I drop my GitHub link in description, so you can. Thank you so much.